Extended protocol configuration options are a 5G parameter, and they operate in a similar way to protocol configuration options in 4G, in that they allow the device to obtain certain information about the target data network that it's trying to connect to. So when the device sets up a PDU session, as part of the signaling flow to set up the PDU session, let's just say to the internet, for example, if the device needs to grab a certain piece of information, for example, the address of the DNS server that's relative to that specific data network, it will use protocol configuration options to carry the request for a DNS server. So the device doesn't have direct connectivity to the session management function, and it will be the session management function that will provide this information. So what the device is going to do, it's going to encapsulate the protocol, the extended protocol configuration options, inside of NAS session management signaling. That will be sent via the G node B to the AMF. The AMF will then send it onto the SMF, the session management function, and it's up to the SMF to basically populate a response. And in our example there, it would be the IP address of a DNS server that this device can use relative to the data network it's connecting to. So the answer comes back as a payload of extended protocol configuration options all the way back to the device, and the device can then use whatever answer is in the payload. So remember, it's just simply about the device obtaining specific information about the target data network it wishes to connect to.